Dear animal lovers and ocean enthusiasts, hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving deep into the incredible world of orcas with special focus on facts about their sensitive communication. Get ready to be amazed by these intelligent creatures. Please take a moment to sit back and relax, and let's get started with 10 mind-blowing facts. Fact number 1. Orcas, also known as killer whales, live in tight-knit family groups called pods. Orcas have one of the longest known lifespans of any mammal, with females typically living for around 50 to 80 years, and some individuals exceeding 100 years. Males have slightly shorter lifespans, averaging around 30 to 60 years. Orcas are highly intelligent creatures, with complex social structures and advanced problem-solving abilities. They have a matrilineal social structure, meaning that the social groups are centered around a dominant female, often referred to as the matriarch. These pods form unique dialects, creating distinct vocal traditions passed down from one generation to another. This phenomenon is known as cultural transmission. These vocal traditions include various clicks, whistles, and calls. Young orcas learn to mimic the vocalizations of their pod members, particularly their mother and other close relatives. As young orcas grow and develop, they contribute their unique variations to the vocal repertoire of their pod. Over time, these vocal variations become an integral part of the pod's dialect. Fact number 2. Echolocation is a remarkable sensory ability used by orcas and various other marine mammals to navigate their environment, locate prey, and communicate with each other. They can see underwater with incredible precision. Orcas produce clicks for echolocation. The clicks travel through the water as a series of sound waves. Water is an excellent conductor of sound, allowing the clicks to propagate over long distances. When the clicks encounter objects or prey in the water, they bounce off these surfaces and return to the orca as echoes. The echoes contain information about the location, shape, size, and texture of the objects or prey. The ocean doesn't know any borders, and it is crucial to recognize the potential harm that human-generated underwater noise can cause to orcas. By minimizing noise pollution, implementing responsible marine practices, and raising awareness about the impact of our activities, we can help protect these magnificent creatures and preserve the acoustic integrity of their marine environment. Orcas are extremely intelligent and, as known, will react to our actions. Fact number 3. While orcas do not sing like humpback whales, they can engage in extended vocal displays referred to as songs. These songs are sequences of repeated patterns, including clicks, whistles, and calls. Songs can last for hours and are believed to have social functions, such as maintaining social bonds within the pod. Each orca has a unique vocal signature similar to a voice print. Vocalizations can convey information about identity, emotional state, intention, and social hierarchy. Understanding orcas' vocalizations provides valuable insights into their complex social structure, intelligence, and communication strategies. Studying their vocal behavior contributes to our knowledge of these remarkable marine mammals and helps us appreciate the richness and diversity of their underwater world. Fact number 4. Orcas are known for their remarkable ability to communicate over significant distances in the ocean. Their communication signals, including vocalizations and surface behaviors, can travel through the water for miles. Orcas are particularly skilled at utilizing low-frequency vocalizations for long-distance communication. Low-frequency sounds have longer wavelengths, allowing them to travel greater distances in the water without significant attenuation. These low-frequency signals enable orcas to maintain contact and coordinate activities with members of their pod, even when they are far apart. Fact number 5. Orcas engage in a variety of surface behaviors, which are observable activities that occur at or near the water's surface. These behaviors serve various purposes, including communication, social interaction, hunting, play, and exploration. Orcas demonstrate surface behaviors such as breaching, spy hopping, and tail slapping, which serve as visual signals. These actions help facilitate communication within the pod and potentially convey messages to nearby pods. These behaviors not only offer fascinating insights into the social lives of orcas, but also provide opportunities for researchers and observers to study and appreciate their intelligence, agility, and natural behaviors in their marine environment. Fact number 6. Orcas exhibit complex emotional communication. They show signs of joy, grief, and empathy towards their pod members. This emotional connection strengthens their social bonds and promotes cooperation. They may use different types of calls, whistles, and clicks to express emotions such as excitement, distress, playfulness, or social bonding. Changes in the pitch, rhythm, and intensity of their vocalizations may reflect their emotional states. While our understanding of emotional communication in orcas is still evolving, there is growing evidence to suggest that these intelligent marine mammals possess complex emotional lives and communicate their emotions to facilitate social bonds, coordinate activities, and respond to the emotional states of other pod members. Fact number 7. Unfortunately, human activities have had a significant negative impact on the ocean and, subsequently, on orcas and other marine life. It's crucial that we work together to protect their habitats and reduce our impact on their environment. Not only the visible pollution is a threat for marine life, also underwater sound pollution is a great factor for upsetting and bringing these sensitive killer whales on the move. Our extremely loud sonar sounds, the irritating and attracting sound of rudders, and the vibrations of wind turbines that vibrate the ocean floor must absolutely affect all animals. Remember, individual actions, when combined, can make a significant difference in protecting and conserving orcas and their marine environment. By working together, we can help ensure a brighter future for these remarkable creatures and the oceans they call home. Fact number 8. Orcas exhibit complex social dynamics in the wild. They are highly intelligent and social animals that engage in complex cultural behaviors, including the transmission of hunting techniques from one generation to the next. They use communication to coordinate hunting, teach their young, and maintain social bonds. Witnessing these interactions is a reminder of the awe-inspiring beauty of nature. Orcas continue to refine and adapt their hunting skills throughout their lives. Even older individuals with extensive hunting experience can learn from younger pod members or adopt new hunting techniques if they prove to be more successful. This flexibility and continuous learning contribute to the adaptability and survival of orca populations. Fact number 9. Learning about orcas and their sensitive communication is key to raising awareness and promoting conservation efforts. By understanding their unique communication strategies, we can appreciate their intelligence and work towards their protection. Protecting orcas requires collective efforts and a combination of conservation measures to address the various threats they face. Increasing public awareness about the importance of orcas and the challenges they face is crucial. Fact number 10. Orcas are apex predators, meaning they are at the top of the marine food chain. They have a diverse diet that includes fish, squid, marine mammals such as seals and sea lions, and even other whales. Orcas or killer whales are beautiful animals and can be found in oceans worldwide, from the Arctic to the Antarctic and from coastal regions to open seas. Orcas have a diverse distribution and do not have fixed territories, but instead have variable home ranges that can span vast distances. But orcas belong in the ocean where they can enjoy their freedom. And there you have it, 10 incredible facts about the majestic orca and their sensitive communication. Now, it's up to all of us to take action. Share this video, support conservation organizations, and spread the word about these amazing creatures. Together, we can make a difference for orcas and the entire marine ecosystem. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. Until next time, keep exploring and protecting our oceans. Love nature.